Public Wi-Fi remains a significant security risk in 2026. This video explores why these networks are vulnerable and the essential steps you can take to stay protected. Simply having a password doesn't make a network safe. When you use public Wi-Fi, you are on a shared network, which means your device is exposed to the same risks as everyone else connected to that same router. An evil twin attack mimics a legitimate network, causing your phone to connect automatically. Attackers set up fake access points to lure unsuspecting users into connecting to a malicious network. Once connected, an attacker can position themselves between you and the internet. They can then intercept or even alter the data you send and receive. Attackers often use fake portals to steal passwords and network sniffers to capture your traffic. Always be cautious when asked to log in through a web portal. While HTTPS encrypts the content of your browsing, it doesn't hide everything. Metadata like DNS queries and your device's MAC address can still be exposed to those monitoring the network. It is critical to understand these threats. Evil twins clone networks, man-in-the-middle attacks intercept your traffic, and captive portals are frequently used to harvest login credentials. University networks are particularly complex, making it easy for attackers to hide. Statistics show that many access points are insecure, and a large majority of students connect without adequate protection. Using a VPN is one of the most effective ways to defend yourself. A VPN encrypts all your traffic, creating a secure tunnel that blocks network spies from seeing your activity. To stay safe, turn off auto-connect settings, verify every network name, use a reputable VPN, and never provide sensitive passwords to public Wi-Fi login portals.